guys, today I am making yam sauce. So first of all, I would like to have my yam, which is already washed. Yes, I would like to change the pot because I'll be adding plantain. If I use this pot, the pot is not going to be enough, so let me change it. Now add salt. While my yam is cooking, I will wash my plantain. This plantain looks as if it's ripe, but not really. Not really ripe. So guys, I'm going to be using normal oil today. So I'm using normal chopped onions and pepper and bell pepper, everything. I'm going to add my crayfish. This is me. My thyme. Where is it? I don't know if you guys know it. What is the name? I chopped us, I don't know. This fish. It's okay like this. I'll give it another taste. It's my seasoning. More salt. Okay. Like this.
Vedi?
Si vede?
Sì, si vede tutto il cibo, pure un po' dentro.